Okay. Good morning, you guys. If you guys don't know, my birthday is this month and celebrating a little early, but it is officially today is the 1st of October. You guys aren't gonna get this video until maybe the day that I'm leaving, or maybe like a couple days after. I have different appointments. Every day is a different appointment. So today I have to do my lashes. Sunday the 1st. Monday the 2nd, I have my nails and feet, and on Tuesday I have my hair. I kind of packed everything in one day because everything very close together because they were booked last minute. Like, I just figured out what I wanted to do maybe like the middle of last month, and it's getting done. So anyways, I'm going in with some Glow Color face mist. I've been using this as my toner like recently, very recently, so I'm not gonna say I've seen changes yet because I truly don't know if I've seen any changes. But I know people say to use rose water, but this rose water we have has so many ingredients. Like, look at the ingredients list. You don't even need to know what's in it. It's just so much. It's like, I'm not putting that as every day. So this is plant-based, it's vegan. I've done a collaboration with them already, and as you guys can see, I definitely use it. It's all the way over here now. I definitely use it. Again, this is the Glow Color hybrid face mist. Sorry I sound a little raspy, like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair real quick, and then we're gonna be on our way out. I'm gonna finish my skincare and then we're gonna be on our way out. Didn't really make sense for me to return. Especially out of mousse, I just put some water to like not have to open the other rod. This one's done though. Extreme gel for my edges. I have a huge pimple on my forehead, and I just need it to be gone. So, like, this would be great for primer, honestly. I take a little vitamin C. This would probably be perfect for my trip because if I'm outside all the time. Anyhow, going in with the brightening cream. And then finally with the UV light, I'm gonna use a good amount of this today because I know I'm gonna be under some light. And this is not only good for sun rays, but also UV. Mainly on my forehead. I'll catch y'all a little later when I have clothes on and I'm ready to go. Closed on Mondays, Tuesdays, it's 4. Work. She thought I got off work at 5:43. I was like, no, it's 3:45. We just came out of Count Me Crazy and we're heading to our appointment.
Each lash, right? I won't take down both lashes. Both eyes, excuse me. All right, close your eyes for me. Perfect.
So these are my lashes. We are at Sprouts right now. Anywho, I just wanted to show you guys my lashes. She mimicked my natural lash curl, which I really appreciate. And they're not too long. They're kind of like a natural look, and I love that. So okay, you guys, so hey, it is Monday, October 2nd. I've done my lashes. They're very natural looks, so it's like you only really know if you don't know. I mean, you only really know if you know. I just came back though from brunch with my bestie, and we also stopped by the Indian Bazaar. I got some limes, but I mostly went for this. It's a jumbo henna cone. It's the traditional color. Me and my bestie got one, and I'm gonna try it out. I get my nails done at 5:45 today. We'll see if I still like it with it being SNS, but I do really want acrylic because I felt like it looked better that way. But as long as she could do the design, I really don't care. Literally, like right before I walked into the door to come and film this sit down for you guys, I got an email saying that my Pretty Little Thing package is shipped and is going to deliver on the 4th. My toes look atrocious, so do my nails. I'm so happy to get them done again because oh my god, it's been long awaited. My hair I'm very excited for. I don't know if I'll like the style on me, to be honest, but I've shown a couple people and they said that they like it and they think it'll fit me, but just because somebody else likes it doesn't mean I'll like it. So I'm at Brookhaven. Look at my nails, they kind of look long but they're actually breaking. But I'm at Brookhaven, and my godmom's coming to pick me up because I need to get these toes done. These barkers, they look atrocious, and I know the girls literally said that after I got acrylic it would like mess up my toe, and I was like, no, yes it did. I don't know why I thought I could be an exception, but I'm not. So we're gonna do that today, and this is what my nails look like right now. The other one, let's just not talk about it because it just doesn't look right. But I'm not gonna show you my toes. It's too atrocious. But yeah, I'm waiting on her. She's gonna come pick me up. We're gonna go to the salon together, and I don't know if I'm gonna record, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys my nails afterwards. If I don't record, she's definitely gonna record, so we're gonna get some content in anyway. I love my lashes, y'all. It's so like minimalistic. Barkers. She's getting her barkers. Tame. Yeah. Okay. Her. Got the toes done. What? And now she's getting the nails did. Swollen pregnant. What do you see swollen pregnant woman? Okay, girl. Guys, so I am officially on the bridge and we're on the way to my hair appointment. I'm so excited because I'm so tired of wearing this beanie. I just feel like it's gonna break my face out, but yeah, we're on the way to our appointment. Okay, you guys, so I made it to my appointment. I'm super excited, super duper excited. So we're here getting food. I'm getting Charlie's, but I'm really excited. I'm really excited. I don't know what all I'm excited for, but I just know that I'm excited. And I hope I got my track right, because I remember putting it in my bag yesterday. Cross your fingers that I got it for real.